Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 22579 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. A couple of interesting changes to this build, some UI improvements, and there's a lot of changes and fixes. So one of the first things you'll see is when you go on the start menu, we've got the folders from previous build, but you see now they've got names on them, and you can change them. So I could call it movies like that, and I can have one for social like that. So it's something you couldn't do before in the previous builds, but now you can name those, which makes a lot more sense so that you get them grouped together like that. So I like that. That's a nice enhancement. Another improvement is there's a new touch gesture, which is a 3-finger gesture to swipe left, swipe right between recently used windows. So if I go with the 3 fingers like that, it goes to the other the task manager there, and I can do 3 fingers again. So 3 fingers like that, touching with the 3 touch points there, it switches between applications. Right, let's have a look at some of the other changes in there. The new Run Task button is there in Task Manager. They've added an option to exclude USB devices, removal devices from encryption, which you can do through the policy editor. I won't go into that now, but that's, if you know what that means, then you'll appreciate that. The Getting Started app has the option to pin websites to your taskbar. I'm going to see if that'll come up on here. Right, so the rest of the changes are mainly fixes. They fix some issues with gaming services not working, Explorer exe crashing. I'm noticing this is pretty slow, this build, but that could be just this machine needs a reboot. They fix an issue going from Windows 10 to Windows 11 as well. There's still some issues around the taskbar not collapsing correctly if you're using it in tablet mode. Check out some of the videos I've got of tablet mode. And they fixed some issues with the start menu folders not showing correctly, but they look okay on mine. That looks nice like that. Oh, of course they fixed it, so that would look okay. That's good. They fixed some windowing issues and some networking issues, which will lead to Wi-Fi speed being degraded in previous builds. There's still some known issues. The taskbar doesn't always collapse in the in tablet mode, and some of the icons appear a bit strange down here. I've seen that a couple of times. File Explorer search results may not always work, and live captions not always work, and sometimes the tooltips don't work in the new Task Manager. But overall, yeah, I like the progress that they're making with these builds. The start menu folders is great, being able to name them. I really like that, and the 3-finger gestures is great as well. So some nice improvements. I've got a separate video of all the tablet improvements as well, so check that out. But that's 22579.